Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here at the diamond plate, trying to see if I can use the ruler technique to get a flat edge on this original blade for the Stanley 4.5, which I'm restoring. Now, I want to show you one of the reasons why we use the ruler technique. You see that? So this had been freehand sharpened in the past, and they lift up and caused this wear here and here, or it was not a flat stone. So just to give you an idea how you can date your plane is by the iron. If it's the original iron, you look at the stamping, the way it was marked by Stanley. They did that different for different years. Then you turn it over, and sometimes you're lucky. You get a blade that has the date stamped into it. This has a stamping mark 2 of 36. So that means February of 36. Now, the reason why this is going to take a while is this is a laminated blade, and I don't know if you can even see it. It's such a thin piece of hardened steel out here, and the softer steel for the rest of the blade. So that's it, everybody. Real quick one. The ruler technique will save you a lot of time. And if you're not sure what it is, I'm going to show you one more time. This is a 0.5 millimeter thick little 6-inch rule. If you need one, let me know. I have extras. When you lay this down on your sharpening stone or on your diamond, and you place your blade to be sharpened flat back down, which is actually the face, and you stay within the first 1/4 inch of the outer edge of your stone, and you keep even pressure, and you can go either back and forth or you can go in and out. What this ruler does effectively is it raises up the blade to where you're putting about, what did someone say once, like 0.2 of a degree of a back bevel? Negligible. So that's about it, everybody. Learn, practice, and use the ruler technique. It will save you time and frustration trying to get your blades sharp. See that? It's getting there. I'm going to go back to work. You head out to your shop. Go make some shavings. Walter out.